Okay, so to thread the machine, we have two different possibilities for where to put the yarn. You have one on to the right of the positive feeder, and there's another pin here to the left of the positive feeder, and this is to put a reserve cone. So you attach the tail of the working cone to the beginning of the reserve cone. Yeah. So when the working cone finishes, the yarn will switch over to the reserve cone. This way the machine will not stop unnecessarily. Mm-hmm. The yarn goes up to the ceramic and then straight down into the top, threaded through the slot, through the knot catcher, underneath the stop motion. You make around 10 wraps around the drum, again underneath the stop motion and through the top.
And does it matter, like when you're rounding it, you were saying that it's to be flat, but let's say you spin and it like it's not perfect, like
it will automatically, it will self-adjust. Okay. Because it's going wider and then it's coming lower, so they always flow like a funnel. Yeah, okay. They just have to run a little bit.